in this video we will see the ray diagrams in animation of image formation by convex mirror, which is basically used as a rear view mirror in vehicle. Convex mirror is also used in the streets, in the shops or malls to have a wider field of a view of the traffic. It is used in street lamps to disperse light over a wider area. The basic characteristics of convex mirror is that it always forms a virtual erect image of an object, though small in size. For having the ray diagram for image formation, we need basically two light rays which are incident on the mirror. These two light rays, after reflection, where they intersect, that will be the position of image of the object. In case of convex mirror, there are two cases of image formation. One, when object is at infinity, the parallel beam of light rays, after reflection, they appear to have started from a point on principal axis, which is called principal focus. So, if object is at infinity, image forms at or on F. This image is a virtual image, since this image is not formed by actual intersection of light rays. Every virtual image is erect, and since image is formed at a point, the size of image is very small or diminished in size. When object is between infinite or infinity and poles, then image forms between F and P. This image is also a virtual image. Why? Because this image is formed by without actual intersection of the reflected light rays. Size of the image is small and it is a virtual erect formed between F and P. To understand and remember the image formation due to convex mirror, this table will be of great use. When object is at infinity, see the first line. Position of image. Image appears to have formed at a principal focus, that means inside the mirror. This image has a nature that it is virtual, erect and diminished. The second case of image formation is when object is between infinity and pole. The image forms between principal focus and pole, and the image is virtual, erect, small.